Just ignore.
Just go hang yourself.
My
What happened? Just go hang yourself.
I don't and it's out of it. No, close your mouth. Yeah. Okay. I like this too, Sha. How about this one? This is not bad to have it. No.
Points. Oh, good.
Hi guys, good morning. My hair is always looking a mess. Like, I'm just noticing now that I'm starting this video, like my hair is always looking a mess, and I usually do not care to like take care of it before coming here, but I cannot. Yeah, this is better. I mean, not nice, but so yeah, the update is that I went to what's it called, get cutting yesterday, and I went to get the flower, but then I've not put them in my room yet because the cutting was not even ready. I went late and I could not pick up. They told me to come back later, so I'm going to show you guys what the room looks like now, and hopefully I think I have like the before of like everything, because I have some things in the room already now, like my old curtain from the other house, and here I have 2 big windows, so that's why I had to do another curtain. If not, I'll just manage the other one from the house. I don't know, you guys will know that I have a bed frame. just ignore. So yeah, this came from the other apartment. I went to the supermarket to pick up some things, and funny enough, I did not film that. But I'm going to show you guys some of the things that I got. Few stuff, because it was not like I went for like to shop for the things for the apartment. I just needed some things. I already arranged some of the things I go for the kitchen, like the provisions and some of the stuff. I arranged that already. these are the things I got yesterday. Stuff.
I'll give you 19.5. See, the iron one.
Not two, did you?
Yes, not two.
Man, what man?
They play. I go buy my but that is even weird. For Uber. Look for the main man for you. You don't need to waste this thing.
I got you, I'm coming. I need to need them. I think I don't know.
No, it don't work. 40%. Don't dear saying that. Come on, boy. Shame no they catch you.
Hey! You know it looks. I beg you.
Dia apa?
Hi, Gabriel. Gabriel, how are you?
Coco. Hi, Jeff. Jeffrey. How you doing? Last week.
carry him. You put this one.
You like your hand.
Hmm?